up, YouTubers? Welcome here to Table Fan Demolition. And yes, you heard me correctly. I said table fan. Excuse me for making noise. Alright, where did my scissors go? I have to have them. Okay. So I'm going to bring it up around here. One of my family members went to go do it for me. And I thank him very much. He's watching the video. I'll upload in the next 2 to 3 days. So this fan here is one of the older fans. I got a bigger one outside. We're not going to destroy it. Not until either the next day or tomorrow. The next day or... scissors. Alright, I'm sorry, YouTubers. We're not going to destroy it either to the next day. And the next nicest day. Because as they say, March hits us like a lion. Or... March hits us like a lamb and goes out like a lion. I'm starting to believe that theory because we have 70-degree weather here. And if you guys aren't from here, you guys would be like, what the hell? But, okay. So, first thing that I'm going to do with this little fan. So we're going to have a little fun with it. So now, hold on 1 second. Make sure you guys can have a clear view of this. Okay. So, let me go make sure you have a clear view of this. Alright. Bring it over just a little bit. About right there. Okay. So, here we go. So, first things first, you're a regular YouTuber, and then you could possibly know what we're going to do with this. But if you're not a regular YouTuber, kudos to you. Because I'm about to explain the things to you. We're about to do this iPod, or this fan. Okay. So turn this bitch on. So spin it about right there. So I have clear view of the blades. Alright, so we're ready to have some fun here. Alright, make sure this Beach Boy's on tight. Alright, so this wheel don't come off, hit me in the head. I'm messing with it. Okay, so turn this boy on. Alright guys, here we go. Let's have some fun with the rotation first. See how long it lasts. Okay, so let's have some fun here. Oh no! It's walking! It's walking, it's bouncing. Alright, so let's see something. See how many blades we're missing. YouTubers, we're missing one, 2, 3. Alright, so let's have a little more fun here until we break the wheel off of here. Come on. Come on. Chicken, come on. Oh, come on. You're gonna work, motherfucker. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, bouncing up and down. Holy shit. Don't get too close to me, motherfucker. It's rubbing my hands. Damn. Oh, it locked up. Come on, pussy. Oh shit! Ah, come on, pussy! Come on, pussy! Pussy boy! Pussy boy! Pussy boy! Pussy boy! Pussy boy! There we go. There it goes! Bounce, bounce, bounce! God, it's getting away from me. See how many blades we have. Dude, you fucking broke the blades. Well, let's see if I can get it off the wheel here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. 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 It's bouncing all over the place now. Uh-oh. Ouch. Fuck, that hurts a little bit. Fuck. There's barely any blades on that bitch. Alright, time to do some fun shit here. Here we go. Where did my hammer go? Where'd my hammer go? Okay, so my hammer way the fuck over there. Alright, so let's let the fun have its own fun here. I'm not trying to get myself hurt here. It's just walking back and forth. Just like a fucking fan. Alright, T. Alright, T. So I gotta get my fucking hammer here. Alright. Give me my flathead too. Alright. Okay, guys. So you know what time it is? It's time to have a little fun here. This fan's... Oh, it stopped again. Come on, start, motherfucker. Alright. Again. Move again. Move again. About to break the wheel off, guys. Oh shit. You almost got her. Yes, man. Popped. Oh. Back up with there. Stay on, boy. Stay on, boy. I'll make it. Move. Who's the boss now, boy? Once again, the boss now, boy. Now, what, boy? Huh? Now, what, boy? Huh? Alright, time to do some fun shit here. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh, I was trying to pop it. Why is it? That sounds very good now. No, it doesn't. Come on, stupid. Come on. You're gonna get burnt, ready? Ready? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, no. Come on. What the hell did you do? What the hell do you think I did? Watch out. Watch out. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Ooh, dude. I want to see something. I want to see something. Stand back as far as you can. Okay, ready? It's still spinning. Yeah. How the hell is it still spinning when I literally beat the living fuck out of it? On. Yo, perfect. Come back up here, pussy. Come back up here. Come back up here. You deal with a real man now, boy. Oh, look. I wouldn't fuck with that, but look. I'd be careful how you fuck with it. Just be real easy. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm sorry. Alright. Well, let me see how much time I have left here. And then that will determine if I can go ahead and go tearing this apart. Or if I'll have to. Alright. So let's see.
Voice over camera, 17 minutes.
Alright, I'll be back.
52 seconds.